Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to see a preview of previous window when swiping to go back in Samsung smartphone with One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the settings and just scroll down below, and now you'll see here one option, advanced features. Just click on it. Now just click on this labs. And here you will see one option, back swipe preview. So just turn it on. So now whenever I try swiping to go back, so you can see here, I can see the preview of the previous window. So even you can try from the right side. So you can see the preview. So if I disable it and if I try to swipe to go back, so you can see I'm unable to see. And if I enable it, and if I try to swipe to go back, you can see a preview of the previous window. So by using this inbuilt option, you can easily see a preview of previous window when swiping to go back in Samsung smartphone with One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.